All right, hi, and welcome to another installment of Math Basics with Mr. Besh. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about vertical angles, what they are, and how they're essentially made. So, to start, what you do is anytime you see two lines that in fact cross, and let me highlight them. My first line goes from A to B, and my second line up here goes from C to D. These are my two lines. Two lines that cross are called intersecting lines. These are the exact opposite of what we already learned called parallel lines. The spot where they intersect or the spot that they meet, this right here is known as the vertex. Now, what happens is directly across from the vertex, you're going to notice that four angles are formed. Let me highlight and color code them for you. So you got this angle that's formed right here, and then directly across from it, you have this angle that's right here. These are examples of vertical angles. All right. You also have two other sets of vertical angles. You have the big obtuse angles over here, and you have the guy over here. Now, remember when it comes to vertical angles, let your eyes be the judge of things, right? Because the bottom line is seeing is believing. When you look at this, you're going to say, hey, this angle right here and this angle right here are exactly the same. And also that this angle right here and this angle right here are exactly the same. And you'd be right, because that's what you know about vertical angles. Not just are vertical angles created when two lines cross, they are the angles that are directly across from one another, and vertical angles always have exactly the same value. So if you know this little sliver right here is 34 degrees, then you know the value of P is 34 degrees as well. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is vertical angles. I hope you found this both helpful and informative.